Press this button to turn the heater and air conditioner system on. Press this button and the system will automatically regulate and maintain fan speed, airflow, and temperature in the cabin. If fan speed, airflow mode, or defrost settings are manually adjusted, the system will switch from auto mode to your control. Turn these dials to set the desired temperature for each side of the vehicle. Rear seat passengers can adjust their temperature using these buttons. Front seat passengers can also adjust the rear seat temperature using these buttons. Press the sync button, and this indicator will illuminate. When sync mode is active, the driver's side dial will control the driver's side, front passenger side, and rear temperatures. If any passenger manually adjusts their temperature, they exit sync mode, and the other two areas remain in sync mode. Press this button to select from the available airflow modes. This icon indicates air will flow from the front defroster and the foot outlets. The arrows indicate whether the center and side vents, the foot outlets, or both the center and side vents and the foot outlets are active. Press this button to recirculate air inside your vehicle. This increases AC efficiency and helps to block outside odors. Press this button to draw in fresh outside air and improve defogging performance. Press and hold this button for 2 seconds to set the air intake control to automatic. This light will flash twice. Press this button to manually turn the air conditioner on or off. In hot or humid conditions, a visible mist may be seen coming from the vents. This does not indicate a malfunction. To defrost or defog front and side windows, press this button. The indicator light on the AC button may also illuminate because the AC compressor is activated to help dry the air and improve window clearing performance. The air can still be fully warmed with the AC activated. Press this button to defrost or defog the rear window, and if so equipped, the outside mirrors. If not turned off manually, this function will automatically deactivate in a period of time. For windshield de-icing, set the temperature to maximum heat with the fan set to high. There are temperature sensors on top of the dashboard and near the steering wheel that regulate the automatic heater and air conditioner settings. Please keep these areas clear of papers and other materials. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.